Problem set 3, question number 3. In triangle PQR, if PQ is greater than PR and bisectors of Q and R intersect at S, show that SQ is greater than SR. So in this, directly we will figure given in the question, and directly we will start the proof from PQ is greater than PR. So start this. In triangle PQR, so whatever given figure, in the given figure we can see two triangles, one is PQR, another one is SQR. So let us focus on the triangle whatever given in the question, that is PQR. So in PQR, side PQ is greater than side PR. Look at this, side PQ is bigger than PR. So this is smaller, this is bigger. So we know the property, the angle opposite to greater side is always greater. That means if PQ is greater side, the opposite angle is side is PQ. The opposite angle of this side is R. PQ is the side and R is the angle opposite to PQ. So angle R is greater. So and here PR is smaller length. So angle opposite to PR is Q. So angle Q is smaller. So what to write here? Therefore, if PQ is greater, angle R is also greater. So angle PRQ. Angle PRQ is greater than PR. So PR is the side and opposite angle is Q. So how to write? PQR. Angle PQR. Reason, angle opposite to greater side is greater. Okay, so these two angles are greater. Now one more statement given in the question, that is bisectors of Q and R. Bisector means one angle is bisector is QS. This line QS bisects the angle Q. So this line divides the angle Q into two equal parts. That is called bisector. Cutting in exact half we can say. So angle Q is divided into two equal angles by the bisector QS, and here SR is the bisector. So bisector SR cuts the angle R into two equal parts, two equal angles we can say. So here Q is divided into two angles, already I said. So how to write here? So out of these two angles I will write only one angle, this, because we have to focus on triangle SQR next. These two are bisectors joined at point S. So inside angle I will focus. Anyhow this angle and this angle both are equal. So I will take angle SQR, angle SQR. So in the place of PRQ, I will take SQR. But PQR is the full angle. SQR is the half angle, is it? That means, so 2 I will take. Double of SQR. Double of SQR is the half angle. If I will multiply 2 here, that means double. That is equalized with PQR, is it? So instead of PQR, I will take the half angle 2 times. Similarly, instead of PRQ, this is PRQ. Instead of taking PRQ, I will take half angle SRQ. SRQ 2 times. 2 into SRQ. I repeat, here according whatever written angle PRQ, same thing we will write by using bisector angles. Instead of PRQ, I will take SQR 2 times, double. And instead of taking PRQ, I will write SRQ 2 times. The value will be same. So if we divide, what is the reason here? How to write this angle? Because of bisector. Rays QS and RS bisects angle PQR and angle PRQ respectively. So now divide 2. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Divide 2, both the sides of equation 2. So what we will get if we will divide 2 here? 2 cancels. So remains SQR is greater than SRQ. Angle SRQ greater than angle SQR greater than angle SRQ. So now see this angle SQR. Angle SQR is greater. If this angle is greater, Q is greater, then opposite side is SR, correct? So SR side SR is greater, and here smaller angle is SRQ. SRQ is smaller. This angle is smaller. So opposite side of this angle is SQ. Opposite side SQ. So SQ is smaller. SR is greater because SR is the opposite side of angle SQR and SQ is the opposite side of angle SRQ. That's why this is also smaller. So write reason side opposite to greater angle is greater. This is the solution, whatever asked. SQ is greater than SR.